Oh, welcome back to my channel, everyone. Just before getting into this video that I did freehand with my daughter, just wanted to explain to you a little bit. So what I did was this part of the clip here, and you'll see that in the footage, I've cut that away. You can see I've done damage with the knife because I was just kind of not really caring about what damage I was doing there. I just wanted to get rid of that plastic part there. Once I got about halfway through it, I thought I better pull it apart just to make sure I'm not going to do damage on the other side. So that's the reason why the console caddy looks like this, because I wanted to just make sure that, you know, if I could have, instead of cutting that away, if I could have turned this piece here around at the bottom there, or should I keep cutting it? And it turned out keep cutting it was a better option. Reason being is because this here has a ribbon that goes onto it, and I didn't take a picture of the ribbon. I probably should have. But anyway, there's a ribbon on here, so if I had turned that part there around, then I would have had to have bent the ribbon and so forth another way to get it connect, so this would face the correct way, and the ribbon would have to be then, you know, reshaped, rebent into the correct way. Now, I've had an experience of changing ribbons before, and you basically get one or two shots at it, and then the ribbon starts to break apart and the wires inside become loose, and I didn't want to take that chance, so the option of cutting that bit of a clip away was the better option. And just to explain how I came to this conclusion in the first place, sent the switch off to a phone repairman down here, and he installed a new USB-C, and when he gave it back, the switch worked, it charged and so forth, but you could, when you put it into its caddy, nothing happened on the TV. And so I called him up, and he said, oh, that's because the circuit board inside the switch was further damaged and there was nothing more could be done. So I've gone, okay, you know, I'm not going to argue with him. I wasn't happy about his results. I couldn't see how that was possible, but, you know, you just don't go there. So came about one day, I wanted to connect up a external controller, and connecting it in properly didn't work. And so I thought, I wonder if I put the cable in the other way around, and it worked. I want to say backwards, I mean switching the connection around. So that's what gave me the idea of this caddy. I was like, what if I was to put the switch into the caddy backwards, the wrong way? Will it work? And that was my result. It does. So I'll let the video play now, and yeah, thanks for watching. Cheers, guys. Okay, well, here's one worth noting. You can see the Nintendo Switch is working, where you can see, I'll turn this light on, see how the switch is on backwards. I had to cut the part, had this repaired, had the switch repaired, and see the part down the bottom there, I don't know if you can, but there's normally a clip, you see where that notch is there? There's normally a bit of plastic there that makes this switch, and it goes onto there, and it makes the switch only go on one way. I'll remove that so I can put the switch in backwards, and bang. So if I try and put that the correct way, so it all shows that it's doing the right thing there, but nothing on the screen. So the person who did the repair must have put that port in backwards, because you put the switch in backwards and it works. Okay, and there you go. So anybody else that's had that USB-C type USB repaired and found that it doesn't work anymore, and the bloke who repaired it says must be more damage somewhere else because he did the job properly, he's done the job backwards. That's what's happened, because this is all working as it should now. And I don't know where that controller is. Hey Jess, where's that controller? Show a game start. Oh, don't need to see game start as long as you can see it moves and everything works. Happy days. Happy, Jess?
Yes.
Alright, till next time, guys. Cheers.